Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes BSOD memory management, how to fix on Windows 11, 10. First method is type Windows Memory Diagnostic in Windows search bar, click Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click Restart Now and check for problems. Type Event Viewer in Windows search bar, click Event Viewer. Click and expand Windows Logs, click System. If any errors in reports, replace faulty RAM. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.